Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share my love for vintage revival. I am thrilled to launch my new series, Travel Diaries, with a trip to Hoi An, Vietnam. For me, exploring the vernacular architecture of any place, to explore how we live, how we build, is always a source of endless fascination. So, during my trip, as I got an opportunity to stay in one of these traditional heritage homes, I just couldn't get enough of it. A simple but gorgeous house was listed on Airbnb, and I grabbed the opportunity. I had a typical traditional Hoi An experience, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Come along with me as we explore gorgeous Hoi An. A UNESCO World Heritage Gem, a city of golden yellow shop houses, a city of lanterns, a city of shrines, a city of light up and down the Thu Bon River, a city that tells stories of vibrant bygone times. I arrive in Hoi An on a quiet, rainy morning. It is going to rain through most of my time here. The rain is soft and constant, bringing out colors, calming the air. To escape the rain, I slip into shrines, lantern shops, cafes, all of which are a dime a dozen here in Hoi An. And of course, it helps if you choose to stay right in the middle of the action, from where everything you want to see and do is just a short walk away. Just off the hustle and bustle of Tran Phu Street is this quaint little shop house that is going to be home for the next few days for me. I came for the textiles, but I stayed for the quiet. This traditional yellow house might date back to the late 18th century, like many in the neighborhood. It became my home for a few days and a window into how we live, with time, with tradition, and with beauty. A glimpse inside reveals a unique wabi-sabi aesthetic, simple, aged, and beautiful. Lanterns, a constant reminder of the city outside. Clay-fired tiles of the roof. More period furniture. Some modern interpretations of the old. Traditional Vietnamese peony and dragon textiles. And little portals to enjoy the sights, and in this case, the rain from. The front door from the porch opens into a simple, monastic, but charming seating area. A comfortable couch, period pieces of furniture, and pops of colorful vintage textiles. In one end of the room, a vintage radiogram console rests. Its mid-century lines and chinoiserie flair blend in rustic wood and delicate inlays. Right behind the weathered divider is a cozy and inviting kitchen that carries forward the aesthetic of the house. Its exposed cement platform and raw cabinetry offering a quirky but lovely contrast with pieces of hand-built pottery made locally, collected over time. A staircase made of sturdy ironwood leads to the bedrooms upstairs. a comfortable mid-century four-poster bed, and an ample writing desk by the window. All you need to spend 3 blissful days. The bedrooms have large windows to watch the rainfall and a beautiful balcony that can be accessed from the side of the beds. If all you want to do on a holiday is slow down, read a book, listen to music, maybe sketch a little. If you are looking for a quiet place to rest your feet after walking in the rain, or simply want to stay in, sip a cup of chai, watch life go by, listen to the rain, then Hoi An is the perfect town, and this little house the perfect nest. The warm lantern-lit interiors of this house remind me constantly of what lies outside. Other very similar inviting homes. Texture of old age tiles underfoot. Beautiful yin and yang tiled roofs. And one gorgeous city from beginning to end.